Good morning and welcome to everybody. Today we are going to see a new lesson with quantifiers. What is a quantifier? It is a word that expresses a quantity, and they can be divided into two groups because some of them are used with a large quantity, others with small quantity, and a third group in which we have quantifiers that can be used both with large and small quantities, or countable or uncountable nouns. It means that this lesson and the previous lesson are somehow linked. As a definition, one can say that quantifiers are words that express a quantity. Among them we have many in French, beaucoup in French. Now with this quantifier many can be used with countable nouns and for big quantities or large quantities, and it's always plural. When I say, for example, many books in plural. Book is a countable noun, and here we have a large quantity of books. Second, much. Its significance in French is also and looking at this, we can say that they have the same definition, but they differ when we use them, because here many is used with countable noun and for big quantities, but here much is used for uncountable nouns and with big quantities. Much also is used with uncountable. Okay, much also is used with uncountable noun and weighs big quantities. What is the difference between much and many? When using them, many is used with countable nouns, countable nouns, but much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, much water. Water is an uncountable noun. Many books, because book is countable, but water is not countable. It is an uncountable noun. That's why we use much. Many is used with uncountable noun with big quantity, and much is used with uncountable noun with big quantities. Uncountable noun with big quantities. Few in French, right? Now, few is used. It is used for countable nouns. Countable nouns with now not big but small quantity. Small quantity, petite quantité, small quantity. For example, we can say few books. Few books, right? And the next one, little, peu in French. It is used with now uncountable nouns with small quantity. Little, peu in French, it is used with uncountable noun with a small quantity. For example, we can say little water. It is always used with uncountable noun with small quantity, right? Eventually, we will have enough. Enough also is a quantifier. Enough in French, assez. A lot of. Lots of. Plenty of. Plenty of. Plenty, etc. Now, these quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. can use them. With above, countable and uncountable nouns. It means what? Examples like this, we can say, for example, enough, money, assez d'argent. Or we can also say a lot of money, or a lot of water, money, uncountable, water, uncountable, right? But also we can say, for example, a lot of students. Look at these two examples. Water is uncountable, but students is countable. And we use we can use a lot with them. So this is what the lesson is all about for quantifiers. And let us say next for a new chapter.